All right, everybody, welcome to the feature. My name's Hunter Willis, and this is the March product updates for all of our product families, what's going on with Apptio and our products this month. Looking forward to going through these updates with you today. And today we're going to be talking about ApptioOne, what's new with Cloudability, and also what's going on with Targetprocess. So without further ado, this month we're just going to dive right into it, okay? So this month for Aptio BI, ApptioOne product family, and Aptio BI, again, is basically goes across most of our products where we're being able to generate reports for those products from different data sets, right, and distribute those out to the organization. So for Aptio BI, we have a couple of exciting updates. Right now, it supports out-of-the-box reports built by Apptio. So it's basically a faster time to value with that Aptio BI being able to engage with your organization, and it will also work with templates right from the different products. So these are kind of pre-built reports that make it a whole lot easier and faster to build out the data from different applications in Aptio BI and kind of trim them the way that you need to distribute them to the teams that need that information in your organization. Now, there's also calculated metrics and compound filtering with this update for Aptio BI. So there's new metrics like being able to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. There's also compound filters now. So you can use multiple criteria of and filter groups to trim out that data the way that you need to make it most valuable for the different teams that are looking at financial information for your IT organization and, other data in some cases, right? And then lastly, for ApptioOne, we've got an update for data link. There's an offset from current month option now that will configure connections with the offset destination time period, right, for that month. So you can offset the that connection for the destination time period. That release is also including improvements like showing the relevant error messages for REST connector, bug fixes, etc. On the horizon for that, there's also going to be a Mongo database connector coming towards the end of March here. And we also have integrated project expense planning that's going to be added around probably towards middle to end of Q2. The other update that I wanted to touch on inside of Aptio BI, though, too, is that there's going to be a compare dates capability coming to Aptio BI for Cloudability. Now, when we move over to the Cloudability product family, really excited to announce that the Apex experience, the Apptio experience, that's basically that unified GUI interface experience for our products, has finally come to Cloudability SaaS, which is really exciting. They've been working really hard on delivering that. It's basically an update to that interface. So it's a fresh, modern experience. There's a new actionable dashboard that's going to come along with that, and an update contract renewal experience too. So a lot easier to use. The menus for Apex, it's a cleaner look. I really enjoy it. So I'm really excited that it's come. It's also, with that same update, though, for Cloudability SaaS, they're also rolling out improved shadow IT management, right? So there's going to be spend analytics and reports coming with that, prescriptive application discovery, and a few machine learning algorithms that are going to improve that experience as well. Now, for Cloudability, for the application, the foundation application Cloudability, there are report exports coming from the GUI now. And we talked about this last month with Bala, who was our featured guest last month. But it's a major improvement for the report export process and Cloudability. So instead of having that like email workflow when you generate a report for export and the email comes and you can click to download that export from the email, it's going to all happen right in the browser now. So when you export the report will generate, and there's going to be a status indicator of the status of that generated report, and then it will download from your browser, and there's even like a display pane that's going to allow you to keep track of those generated and downloaded reports and allow you to download them again if you need to. So you don't have to regenerate a report if you want to do it again. On March 22nd, we have a webinar coming up, State of FinOps 2022, Insights and Action. So definitely check that out. There's going to be links posted to that and another webinar I'm going to touch on here in just a minute once the video is posted to YouTube. So check that out after it's posted. And then next month, we have activity metrics and tracking coming to Cloudability SaaS for different applications. For Cloudability, everyone's really excited about this one. Recommendations for auto scaling groups. So definitely check that out, as well as GPU right-sizing recommendations that are going to be coming out here in just another week or two. So look out for those on the horizon as well. Those additional recommendations, right, for right-sizing offer a lot of cost savings, and it's a lot more data we're bringing into the application. So really excited about those too. So for Targetprocess product news, we have validation rules that you basically change data restriction policies. So you can make it so, for instance, when the status is changed to like prove or a feature's marked done, they can't be changed after that. On the horizon, we have an update for data validation for sync issues so that you'll get a validation for those. And then we also have coming up later this week, we have a C Prime webinar, a practical approach to align and deliver adaptive strategy. So again, check this video out when it's posted to YouTube for the links to that, and share that out when you go and do that. Now, remember that for all of our customers to see the most recent updates, you can log into the Help Center. There's a direct link button to that in the upper right-hand corner in any of our applications via front door there. And in the Help Center, if you go to the What's New section, there's going to be a brief description of the updates. And in most cases, we'll have like some screenshots, maybe a little instruction on how to utilize that. For further questions and information, you can also pop over to the Apptio community, where there are some people from our organization answering questions in there. We also have a lot of people that are certified in like TBM and FinOps that can help answer questions both about our products, but just about the practice in general of those things. So definitely check that out if you haven't recently. We've got some more things coming on the way that we'll be able to talk about here really soon too, so excited about that as well. And as always, for further support information to help, you can reach out to our customer success and support teams. They're always around to answer further questions and help you out. All right, everybody, thanks again for your time this month. We'll see you next month. Until then, hope you'll follow us, like, share our content. Check out our website again for our blog at aptio.com when you go to resources. So don't forget about that.